some people just understand. Meme is life. But with the growth of the internet, we've all seen some pretty spectacular technological innovations, and I'm going to explain them to you. So please sit down. I know you don't know about this. It's okay. I'm an expert. So please just sit down and listen. In 2023, in a realm so mystical, also known as the internet, a new technology emerged that could be promising in revolutionizing not only finance and art, but also our digital lives. This innovation, being coined as hybrid DeFi, is a fusion of decentralized finance and the wildest creations of blockchain lovers everywhere. So, what in the Satoshi is hybrid DeFi? In a sense, hybrid DeFi is the clever union of two seemingly separate worlds: the decentralized finance ecosystem, called DeFi, and the enchanting realm of non-fungible tokens. Those are your NFTs. This union allows the potential for a seamless integration of DeFi's financial wizardry with the uniqueness and rarity of NFTs, creating a digital ecosystem that becomes a way to unlock more value of the internet. But you may be asking, why is this such an innovative development? Well, I'm glad you asked. The answer lies in the limitless potential of hybrid DeFi to unlock an abundance of use cases and more to be discovered. We all love these thoughts of RWAs and tokenization. Okay, RWAs, for those of you who don't know, is real-world assets, okay? Think of it like your car, a house, stuff in the real world. So imagine a world where your digital art collection can be used as collateral for a loan, or where you can trade your favorite CryptoKitty for tokens. Wait, did someone say CryptoKitty? Okay, boomer. The possibilities are as endless as the blockchain itself. And that's pretty endless. And hybrid DeFi is the key to unlocking this hidden treasure of memes and meme coins. Show me the utility. As stated by innovators like SAS as sassafras, initially a hybrid system starts with an escrow that contains NFTs, each representing a set amount of tokens. While the most common implementation sees the NFT minting concurrently with the tokens, platforms like @GoHybrid app offer new ways to hybridize any token. NFT owners can deposit their digital asset into the escrow bridge to receive a predetermined number of tokens and swap vice versa the tokens for an NFT. This escrow system is fully automated and seen on-chain, so no third parties or middleman is needed. This fusion also eliminates issues of slippage, allowing whales to enter the market at a pegged rate and save on fees by buying an NFT that, quote, holds these tokens. OTC, that's over-the-counter deals. While at the same time, baby guppies, like you, can own a fractionalized piece of the digital Mona Lisas of the online market. Everyone is happy. Yay! This all creates room for deflation from the token and the NFT side because as the amount of users grow, consistent swaps back and forth reduce the potential of NFTs being, quote, reassembled. Tokens are also being locked and taken, quote, off the market in a way. Eventually, the space allows more for builders and creatives to interoperate and create more platforms utilizing this tech. On the NFT side, now NFT-backed loans, NFT staking, and NFT-backed derivatives become more sound by having the token side integrated. Imagine Taylor Swift or @TravisXX, I don't know who that is, and frankly, I'm not really that fond of Taylor Swift myself. I'm not a big fan, not a listener, but whatever. But imagine them selling hybrid tickets to a concert that are a piece of limited edition NFT art backed by tokens that are redeemable at their merch stores. The possibilities become endless as this genre grows and innovates. The mix of DeFi and NFTs is a revolution that could change the way we think about finance, art, and the very framework of the blockchain universe. If you want to learn more about hybrid DeFi from the innovators in the field, be sure to check out the informative threads written by developers like @sassafras, who have been at the forefront of this digital revolution with projects like Boso Hybrid and Go Hybrid app, in combination with @Parabolit and others. Now check out these links. Here we have a thread on the origins of hybrid DeFi and some use cases. Another one, a thread on the evolution of hybrid DeFi and the projects that helped create a standard. And another one, a thread on aspects of hybrid DeFi and how it benefits tokenomics. And finally, a list of the most informative and entertaining X spaces on hybrid DeFi to date. Remember, be sure to follow us for more content and for more of my beautiful voice reading these excellent, very, very informative articles just for you. Have a great day, everyone. Remember to touch grass.